He was placed on deferred adjudication in 2020, CR 05.
Right out the gate, the judge makes it clear, this isn't a negotiation. A motion to revoke probation is on the table, and trust me, in Texas courts, that's basically the legal equivalent of walking into a room where the walls are already closing in.
572 for the offense of evading arrest, detention, using a vehicle on February 10th, 2022 for a period of 3 years. Is that you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violated condition number 1 on or about the 20th day of July 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Medina Jr, committed the offense of unlawful carrying of a weapon in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. Your Honor, will waive the remaining violated condition.
All right, any objections to the waivers?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation?
And there it is, the defendant pleads true. Remember, pleading true in a revocation hearing is like saying, yes, Your Honor, I messed up. It gives the judge full power to sentence up to the maximum. Bold move, or desperate one? You tell me.
Of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in the prison, and up to $10,000 fine. Is there a proposed agreement?
There's not an agreement, but there's a proposal, Your Honor.
Yes.
There is partial agreement. The agreement is that he pled through to the UCW. The state will be taking into consideration that cause number, which is 713157 at a county court number 8. And also at the same time of that incident, we're taking another case into consideration, which is the unauthorized use of a motor vehicle, which is 2023 CR 9587. And we'll send those dismissals to the court.
Thank you, Judge.
And Judge, the state's recommendation is revocations that have been agreed upon.
All right. So the state is recommending revocation. Do you have any witnesses?
Yes, Your Honor, I do. My client.
All right. You want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Medina Jr.
All right. Defense, you may proceed.
Yes, Mr. Medina, tell the court what you do for a living.
Yes, miss. I make music for a living.
I'm sorry, what?
I make music for a living.
Music.
Pause here, the prosecutor wants revocation, meaning prison time. No second chance. No extension. Just straight up termination of probation. And when the state comes in that hot, you already know the defense has an uphill climb.
I've been doing it for 5 years. It's been helping me pay my house, take care of my family, my son, my wife. It's what I do for a living. It's how I get monthly income. It's how I pay all my bills. It's how I survive.
And explain to the court who your family consists of.
Me, my wife, my son. He's the third, and then I'm having a baby on the way too.
All right. So let me just tell you right now, the crux.
He says he makes music for a living, and honestly, this courtroom just turned into a surprise episode of rappers versus probation officers. But this is where defendants often try to humanize themselves, family, career, responsibilities. Will it land? Let's see.
So the court's question is going to be, what has he completed since he's been on probation?
I didn't hear you.
Oh, what has he completed since he's been on probation? Because the only thing I have before me now is the fact that he picked up an unlawfully carrying of a weapon. So what has he completed on probation?
Miss, I've reported every month.
No. I'm just trying to get to what have you done on probation. Sometimes, just a second, take a deep breath. Sometimes this is what the issue is. You will have somebody come before you and maybe they have a motion to revoke and they picked up a new case. So what do I know about you? What I know about you right now is that you were placed on probation and you committed a new offense.
Correct.
So I'm trying to figure out, what have you been doing since you've been on probation? Everybody always comes in, and I say everybody, and 99% of the people come in, I have a baby on the way. And you know, my mindset is always, why were you not thinking about that before you picked up a new case? Or people will tell me, my mother is in the hospital, or my family member is in the hospital. And you know, my question always is, why were you not thinking about that before you picked up a new case? So I'm trying to figure out, what have you completed on probation? Were you reporting? Because your conditions of probation are to report Were you reporting?
Where?
Were you reporting? Did you report
Yes.
on a regular basis?
Yes, miss.
So you've never missed reporting?
No, I may have missed a date or something, but I always try to make sure I stay on top of it. I may have missed a date. Yes, I have.
Here's the thing, not talking about maybes. My understanding, the probation officer's here. So, were you reporting regularly?
Yes, miss. Yes, I was.
Did you ever miss reporting?
No.
All right. Have you completed any community service hours?
I was supposed to pay them off. Yes, I was trying to pay them off. I was trying to get your permission actually to pay them
Now,
off.
so here's the thing. You need to listen to my questions. You've been on probation since 2022.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you complete community service hours?
No, miss.
All right. Next question. Did you complete parenting classes?
I completed one of them. Yes, miss, I did.
No. Did you successfully complete your parenting classes?
Yes.
So what I mean by that is all the classes, if parenting classes were...
Listen to the judge here, she's not playing. When a judge starts hitting you with the, "Why didn't you think of that before you picked up a new case," speech, it's over. This is classic judicial disappointment energy.
10 classes, right?
Yes, I took them all. Miss.
Did you get the certificate?
Yes, miss, I did.
All right. The next question. Did you participate in field visits?
What is that, miss?
Oh, probation comes out to your house to check on you to see that you're doing well.
Yes, miss. I know. They have my address. I never. I don't know how that goes. They never contacted me to go to my house, but they have my address where I live at.
All right. So, counsel,
Yes,
any other questions?
yes. Are you on medication?
Yes, miss. Also, I do have a medicinal marijuana license, and I know I came out positive for marijuana, but I get prescribed THC oils, and that helps me with my insomnia, my PTSD, and it helps me stay asleep at night. That's the only reason I have positives on there.
He should have been on in my opinion, Judge, a mental health doctor. He has serious PTSD and anxiety, and
Well,
he needs cognitive thinking. It was recommended on this particular case, Judge, and I couldn't agree more. Getting him
well,
to
did he take the MRT? Because that was one of his conditions.
What does that mean? I'm sorry.
Oh, to help you make
better decisions.
better decisions, to help you realize the correct moral choice. For example, not to pick up an unlawfully carrying of a weapon because you're on probation.
No, miss. I don't think I took it in my. I
Okay.
don't think so. I don't recall.
Okay.
It's been a while, miss. Atascosa County did sit me down for 7 months, so that is a reason why I may have not been reporting, or I didn't have no reports from August 4th to February 12th. I was incarcerated in Atascosa County last year. But everything before that, miss, I had been reporting every month. I had been taking my UAs every month, miss. I had been complying and trying to get this out the way, miss. Like I said, I have a family I take care of and rely on me so much. And I just found out I have another baby on the way. It's not nothing I wasn't thinking about. I just found out, miss. And it's just, it's news that's...
Well, everybody knows how babies come to be.
No, yes, miss. I understand that. I'm just saying, like, I wasn't aware of it. I'm not trying to continue to live my life like this. I do have a family that depends on me a lot, and I'm just trying to get out there and show them I can do right. My son depends on me a lot, and I'm
very talented singer, musician,
Yes.
makes music, writes music. He's very creative, Judge, but
He brings up his family again, but notice how the judge isn't moved. Once you're on probation, your completion record matters more than your personal story. Judges look for action, not explanations.
got some mental issues.
Mm-hmm.
and I do make music, and I have a very big following, and I feel like that is the reason I get harassed, honestly. And I've tried to...
Who's harassing you? Was probation harassing because all they wanted you to do was report on a regular basis?
No, miss, it's not probation. It's not
All they
probation.
wanted you to do was the MRT, and here's the thing. You have been on probation since 2022.
Yeah.
And everybody knows if people successfully complete their probation, normally, I would say about 90% of the time, if they complete everything and they ask for early termination, I usually give it to them.
No, I understand, miss. It started off rough for me. I can't lie. It started off rough for me because I wasn't used to probation. I wasn't used to people telling me what to do and how to do it. So it was new to me, miss, but it's something that I know I can get done.
How far did you finish school?
I went all the way to 11th, 12th grade.
All the way to the 11th.
Yes, all the way to 11th grade. I went to 11th grade, miss, and that's honestly something I'm working on right now too. Is I have my GED in the works. I need to finish. I think I need to get 3.5 more credits, and I'm done with my GED too.
All right. Any questions? Any more questions?
No, ma'am.
State any questions?
There we are.
All right. Is the probation officer here?
Yes, Sean.
All right. If you'll come forward, please.
So, Rebecca is
Hi. Thank you so much for waiting patiently. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do.
All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Moses Lozano?
All right. And so I know that you have been here since this morning. So I wanted to make sure that if either party wanted to call you as a witness, that they would have a chance to call you as a witness. All right. And I know you were being brought because this was supposed to be a contested hearing, but he's decided to enter a plea of truth. So does anyone have any questions for the witness?
I do, Judge. May it please the court, sir. Thank you for staying. Saw you here at 9 o'clock this morning, and you've been here all day.
Sure.
I saw a notation that I think you wrote as far as a recommendation to the court. Would you explain on the record what's available that you think that he could use and needs regarding cognitive reasoning and thinking?
Well, we recommended ISF, cognitive.
And why did you recommend it?
That's what we usually do with probationers that tend to need more guidance mentally and in general.
Okay, and
Including the
for the record,
responsibilities.
what is ISF?
ISF is